Hello from Hengehold Trucks. This right here is a 2021 Ford Transit 250 with 37,061 miles. This is what peak performance looks like. This vehicle's highlights include a Thermoking V320 Max refrigeration unit, an insulated body, Kemlite lined walls and ceiling, a diamond plate aluminum floor, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.